For my Diglett, for my BrickHead Diglett, I did something really different than other BrickHeads. Usually when you do a BrickHeads, on the front and back you add a layer of 4x4 plates and then you put the tile pieces on. But a Diglett is more oval than round, and so for my BrickHead I wanted to make it more of a rectangle than a square, and so for that reason I just went right to the tile pieces along those side bricks that we put in the center of our BrickHead. And so that's one of the major things I did differently with this Diglett BrickHead, but that's also why I kind of made it smooth on the sides and the back to give it more of a rectangular or oval shape if we're BrickHead, you know, kind of a BrickHead conversion here. And the other thing I did to give it that more oval shape was to do the bald head that we see on a lot of BrickHeads. So I gave it like the bald brown top to make it look more oval-like. And now the other thing that's different than most BrickHeads that I did was a BrickHead's eyes are usually down here and they're on both sides because you use those 1x4 plates with the two side studs. But if you look at a Diglett, their eyes are higher up on the body and they're more centered and closer together. So to get that effect, what I did was I put a 2x2 plate near the top and I put both eyes kind of close together and on the top, and I really liked that effect. I tried it over here and it just didn't look right. When I put them together, it was the right look. And now the other thing was the nose. Now, a nose of a Diglett is kind of this pink oval thing, and for us in our BrickHead, I decided to get a 1x2 tile piece to create the nose of our BrickHead's Diglett across, and I really like that nose, and I think it's important because a Diglett doesn't have a lot of detail, and since this is kind of a brown BrickHead, and even though Legos and BrickHeads usually don't have noses, there are a few exceptions, and I feel like this Diglett is one of them. Now, the last thing I did was, nobody knows what a Diglett's body looks like because it lives under the ground and it's only sticking its head up. So for its body, what I did was I put 2 layers of plates on the bottom. And the reason I put 2 layers of plates on the bottom is I got a kind of the BrickHead's black base plate, and I just surrounded it with 1x1 plates, 1x1 tile pieces, and these cheese wedge slopes. And I just kind of did that all the way around in light gray and dark gray to kind of create the stone or the dirt look that pops up around the Diglett when it pops its head out of the ground. And now I've got this 2 layers of plates, and I just stick it right into my base plate here, and we've got a Diglett popping out his head to look around.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.